Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be building this trailer ball installation for an ATV. I'm starting out with this flat bar stock. I'm not going to really give any measurements here because you may choose to use this for your own application and the measurements won't work. So I'm going to be using the bolts that clamp the axle to the swing arm on the frame. I'm just getting the measurements here, and then I'm going to transfer the measurements to the piece of bar stock that I cut off at the saw. The next thing I'll do will transfer the dimensions between the bolts on the bar stock. I will mark these holes, then I'll punch them, and then we'll head over to the drill and I'll drill these holes out at a little bit larger diameter than the bolts. You'll notice I'm drilling these holes offset. That's because there's not enough room to put them in the center of the bar there. And then also when I drill a hole for the actual trailer ball, that will be on the front side of the steel. So now that I have my holes marked and the center punch at the start of the drill, we'll go ahead and measure the diameter of the bolts on the rear of the ATV. So let's head on over to the mill and start drilling our holes. Just to keep everyone's attention, I'll just show drilling one of the holes. Now I need to get a 2-inch trailer ball, and I'm going to head over to my local U-Haul store. And some $9 and change later, I now have a trailer ball. The trailer ball has a 3/4 inch shank, and I'm going to have to drill a 3/4 inch hole in this bar stock. Right now I'm just measuring to find the exact center of the bar stock. Then we'll go back over to the mill and we'll start out by drilling a 1/2 inch hole, and then I'll use a step drill to enlarge the hole to 3/4 inch. I want to give you a little background while we're drilling. The ATV I'm using is a Polaris 250, and I purchased this for $250. It did need a piston, which I installed myself, but after the piston is installed, the machine runs great now. Now that I'm done drilling the hole, I'll head over the workbench and install the ball onto this piece of strap steel. And now we'll install the assembly on the ATV. I just got back from vacation where I took the RV and the ATV on this trailer, and I wanted to get this trailer ball installed before we left. Unfortunately, I did not, so as soon as I got home, I started on this project right away. I thought it would be pretty cool to be able to haul the trailer around with the ATV that also is used to haul the ATV behind the RV. And this is what that looks like. And as soon as I'm done with this project, I'll be ready. So now that we're getting the ball installed, we're going to go ahead and give it a test. So here's my $300 Craigslist find. Right now, I just disconnected it from the RV, and I'm going to haul it around and attach it to the ATV.
Yeah. Stop. No, I didn't stop it. Alright, I'm just trying to get all the way to the car.
Okay.
So right away, I notice a huge problem. The tire's running into the trailer frame. So here's my solution. I decided to extend that. I used some more bar stock and I extended the ball out 5 inches. I don't have any recordings of building the extension, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So now we get to test again with the extension on the ball hitch. In the next few days I'll be doing a travelogue of Moab, Utah and Cane Creek. We brought the ATV and we rented some side-by-sides, and I'll show you some of the fun that can be had out in the desert. And now I can make pretty tight turns with no problem. So I'm really happy with this project. Of course I had to make a modification halfway through, but now I don't have to hand haul my trailer around everywhere. I can use the ATV. Thanks for watching.